Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my Young Living Essential Rewards order for the month of August. And so basically Young Living is an essential oil company that promotes health and wellness. And so they have essential oils, they have personal care products, they have skincare products, they have household cleaning products, they have supplements and nutritional items. They have products that are designed specifically for women, men, babies, children, and even your pets. So I am signed up as an Essential Rewards member, and basically that means that I am committed to spending at least $50 a month on Young Living products. And the good thing about being an Essential Rewards member is that you get a 24% discount on the total cost of the items, like a membership price, but you also get like 25% back on whatever you spend. So if I spend $100 and I get 25% of that back in ER points or Essential Rewards points. And so I bank up my points and I get to spend those towards free products throughout the year. This month, I think I decided to put my items as items that I need to support my health and wellness since I'm going back to school. I'm a teacher, so I need all the support that I can get for my immune and respiratory systems with everything going on right now. So we're gonna get into my box to see what I got for this month. It's a little box, so I really can't remember because I received this box a couple weeks ago, and I know people say this all the time, but I really cannot remember what I put in here except for one item. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here. Let's see, and so this is the one item I remember. Each year when I go back to school, I try to start taking some supplements that will support my immune system. And so one of my favorite supplements from Young Living for doing that are these Inner Defense capsules. And I don't think you can see that because the label is white, but Inner Defense is basically like Thieves essential oil in a capsule form. So let me read to you what they say about Inner Defense. All right, so Inner Defense contains Young Living's Thieves Essential Oil Blend, which is rich in thymol, carvacrol, and eugenol for immune support. They say to take one soft gel daily in the morning or one soft gel 3 to 5 times daily when stressed. For best results, use Life 9 probiotic 8 hours later. And so I don't take it in the morning. I have a very sensitive stomach, so I take most of my medicine at night to help keep from having any stomach sensitivity. So, but this one is great. Once I go back to school, I usually take this throughout the year definitely between August and usually May or June. So I take a little bit of a break from it in the summer months because I'm not as exposed to things as I am during the school year. Next, I have some more immune support. And I've got this bag right here, and inside the bag are these Thieves Sprays. And so you can kind of see I have a Thieves theme going on here. So I got the 3-pack of the Thieves Sprays. And so these little sprays are great. Let's see what it says here. It says direction spray on any surface in your home or office. And it's basically a Thieves spray. So let me read to you what it says about the Thieves Spray. All right, so the Thieves Spray is a portable cleaning spray ideal for purifying small surfaces. Thieves Spray can be used on doorknobs, handles, toilet seats, and more. And it says spray on surfaces to clean as needed. I like to keep the Thieves Spray in my purse so that I can spray down surfaces as needed. I can also spray it in my hand and purify my hands like a hand sanitizer if I need to. But this is great for spraying on, like if you go to a restaurant and the tables don't look exactly clean, this is great for that. Definitely toilet seats, doorknobs, anything that needs a little extra cleaning, that's what I use these for. And so I was getting low on that, so I thought I'd get a 3-pack of that. Something I use in the fall and winter time a lot. I got the Young Living lip balms, and so I got the if you're an Essential Rewards member, you can get the lip balm trio, and so it has 3 different lip balms, and I love these. I like to apply these before I put on my liquid lipstick. If I put on liquid lipstick by itself, then my lips get really dry. I also find that my lips get really dry in the fall and the winter months, and they want to crack and stuff like that a little bit more. I use them year round, but I especially like to use them a little bit more in the fall and winter months just because my lips get so dry. So it comes in 3 different, I guess you could say flavors almost. It really doesn't have a strong flavor, but they're super soft. They're very nourishing to the lips. So I've got the Grapefruit, which is kind of like my one that I like to use a lot in the spring and the summertime. Then you've got the Cinnamint. This is kind of like my fall and winter one. And then this Lavender one is the one I like to apply on my lips before I go to bed at night because my lips get dry. I always put like a little layer of this on my lips before I go to bed, and so these are great. Let me read to you what it says about the Young Living lip balms. So let's start with the grapefruit. It says, infused with grapefruit essential oil, wolfberry seed oil, and antioxidants, this refreshing lip balm seals in moisture for smooth lips. And then the Cinnamint says, moisturize and protect your lips with our naturally derived lip balm featuring pure cinnamon bark and peppermint essential oils. Cinnamint lip balm helps prevent skin dehydration for soft, smooth lips. And then the Lavender one says, lavender lip balm soothes dry lips, harnessing the power of lavender essential oil and the moisturizing properties of jojoba oil and vitamin E. And of course they all say apply to lips as needed. So those are really good to have on hand. And I think I was getting down to my last one, so I decided to throw in the 3-pack of the lip balms. And then I have just one little tube. And I'm pretty sure, since I went with like a Thieves theme here, that I probably picked essential oils that are great for supporting the respiratory system and the immune systems. But the first thing that comes out, this was a freebie. And so with Young Living, when you spend so much money, you get certain items for free. And so for free this month was the Thyme essential oil, but it's the Vitality one. And so the white labels in the Young Living essential oil line indicates that these essential oils can be used for making supplements. You can add them to food and drink, and so they can be ingested and used internally. So I've never smelled thyme, so I'm going to open it up and smell it. Definitely smells like something you would put in like maybe an Italian dish, but it smells really good. And of course, along with my Thieves theme. So Thieves is a great essential oil for supporting your immune system. It's also great for your respiratory system, and it's a blend. So it contains several different oils combined together. Let me read to you what it says about the Thieves essential oil. All right, so Thieves essential oil was inspired by the legend of 4 15th century French thieves who formulated a special aromatic combination composed of clove, rosemary, and other botanicals that they used while robbing the dead and dying. Thieves is a powerful blend that contains the naturally derived constituents limonene and eucalyptol. And so the essential oils that are contained within it are clove, cinnamon bark, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus radiata. It smells like the perfect fall or winter essential oil. And so I diffuse it all year round because I like to support our health and wellness. But during the fall and winter months, I like to create fall and winter diffuser blends, and a lot of them contain Thieves because it just smells so good. And so it says that you can diffuse, directly inhale, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. And so basically I diffuse it most of the time. And I've got one more. It's another go-to essential oil for supporting my immune system and my respiratory system, and this is Raven. And to be honest, I love to diffuse Thieves and Raven together. This is usually what's in my diffuser at night. I usually put equal parts of both, and it smells really good. This is a blend, so it contains several essential oils, and I'll read to you what's in the Raven essential oil blend. All right, so the Raven essential oil blend is a cleansing blend of Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, and other essential oils. Raven creates a cooling sensation when applied topically to the chest and throat. So that is an essential oil that I will take and apply with coconut oil and put it on the chest and the throat to support my health and wellness, to support my respiratory system when it needs a little extra support. And so its ingredients are Ravensara, peppermint, eucalyptus radiata, wintergreen, and lemon. And it says you can diffuse, inhale directly, or dilute with V6 vegetable oil complex and apply topically. So this one is definitely one that I would use to apply topically as needed when you need a little extra support. And so that's my Essential Rewards order for the month of August. And so I have the 3-pack of the Thieves, the Inner Defense, the Lip Balm Trio, the Thieves, and the Raven. Those were the items that I paid for. And I received the Thyme Vitality Essential Oil for free. And so you can see the difference. These 2 essential oils are used for diffusing, applying topically, and the white one is used for making supplements and adding to food and drink and things like that. So if you have any questions about Young Living, let me know. I've been a member for over 5 years and I enjoy using their products. I love being an Essential Rewards member because I can switch up the items that I get each month. I can change the date that it gets shipped to me. It's very convenient. Plus I'm getting that money back towards free products, which makes for a really good deal. So I'll leave my membership number in the description box below. You can use that to try some of these products. And if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, bye guys.